Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I got another unboxing from Schusters.ru. In here should be our World War I Imperial Russian like basic uniform. This box looks like it's seen some stuff. Put it down here so I can show you. So I think, oh, here's our this is gonna be our sort of, we call it like a peaked cap or forage cap or service cap. Here it is, famous eye. That's pretty cool. That's what the reenactors call it sometimes. Imperial Russian eye. It's pretty cool. Size 60, which is my size because I have a big head. Fits good. Need to probably break it in a bit. Yeah, that needs to be broken in a little bit. There's that cap. Next, I think right here, this is, I think this is either going to be our trouser belt or our equipment belt. Difficult to get open. Here we go. So I think this is our equipment belt. This one's a lot bigger. What else is in here? So in here should be our tunic and trousers. Here we are. Here is our tunic, and here is our trousers. Let's see if there's anything else. There should be one more thing. There it is. I think this is our trouser belt. Yeah, this is our trouser belt. Here it is. Trouser belt. It's nice. So that's it for now. I'll make another video soon about showing like all of the full uniform with the equipment and everything as well. So thanks for watching.